Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Raya account. First, open the Raya application and log in. Then, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option to delete or deactivate your profile. If you cannot find this option directly within the app, the next step involves contacting their support team. It is important to follow these initial steps carefully to ensure a smooth process. If an app deletion is not available, you will need to email Raya support. Send your request to either contact@triadab.com or support@rayatheep.com. In the subject line, clearly state account deletion request and include your username. Within the email body, politely ask for your account to be permanently deleted, providing any necessary details. Expect a response within a few business days as they process your request. It is crucial to manage your subscriptions independently from account deletion. Deleting your Raya account does not automatically cancel any active subscriptions. You must cancel these separately through your device's App Store settings, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play. Raya commits to deleting user data promptly after your account is removed. However, some encrypted backups might be retained for a limited period due to legal obligations. Once your Raya account is deleted, your profile will no longer be visible or searchable to other members. If you decide to return to Raya in the future, you will generally need to reapply for membership and go through the entire acceptance process again. If you are unsure about permanent deletion, consider temporarily deactivating your account instead. This option allows you to pause your membership and potentially rejoin without reapplying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.